Hello and welcome to this detailed and in-depth Python programming training. My name is Ahmed Ibra and I'll be the instructor for this course. And if you have any questions during this course, I'll always help you to get the most of this training. In this very first lesson, we will do several important things. First, we will talk about what the Python language is and what it is used for. Second, we will address the tools that we will need to write the Python code correctly, easily and simply without complicating it. Third, we will download the Python programming language to our computer. Now, let's start together this wonderful journey to master the Python programming language. Python is one of the coolest and best programming languages in terms of ease and features. It is very easy for you to read the Python code as if you were reading a regular English sentence. Python is a programming language that lets you work quickly and integrate systems more efficiently. With Python programming language, it is possible to do everything you imagine in the world of software engineering and development. To start programming with Python programming language, we need some basic tools. We'll need to install the Python programming language on our device correctly first. We'll also need an IDE or text editor, whether it is on our device or online, to facilitate the process of writing, editing, and running the codes that we will write. In this course, we will use an easy, simple, and free text editor that you can use without complication. This text editor is the Visual Studio Code Editor. To download and install the latest version of the Python programming language on our device, go to the Downloads page on the official website of this language, as you can see, which is through this URL. Through this official website, you can download any version of Python programming language, and also it can be downloaded for any operating system you use. Python is a cross-platform language. A Python program written on a Macintosh computer will run on a Linux system and vice versa. Also, Python programs can run on a Windows computer, as long as the Windows machine has the Python interpreter installed. Now let's download and install Python on our device. Always try to download the latest version of Python to get the new features. In this training, we will use version 3.8.1. Just click on this yellow button from here and Python will be downloaded to your device. Then wait for the download process to finish, and then we'll install the language by double clicking on the download file from here, and the installation screen will appear for us to complete this process, which is very simple and easy. Here you can see the pop-up window to install Python. First of all, you should check Add Python to the path, because this makes Python available and you can access it anywhere in your local device. Then hit Install Now to complete the installation process and wait for the process to complete successfully. Now, as you can see, the process ended successfully and the Python programming language was installed on our local device. Just press the close button. The second thing that we will need to complete this course is the text editor, which is Visual Studio Code Editor. You can download and install it from this official website simply. Try to download and install it, then complete this training that will prepare you in order to become a professional Python developer efficiently and in a short period of time. That's all for this lesson. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and understood it very well. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to send me and I'll also answer you as soon as possible. I am here to help you all the time. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again next lesson.